So for the receipt email function, you get a unique personal email address. I've just found it in the receipt section after clicking on the email tab, and now I've copied it. And opening my Gmail, I'm just going to paste it in, and then I'll drag in a receipt. Once I've hit send, Thriday is now receiving the email and busily processing it in the background. When I go back to the home feed, it should be there waiting for my review. And there it is. So once the receipt is loaded, you can see the source is email. And because this purchase was made with a non-Thriday card, it has not been matched to a bank transaction, so I'm just going to create an expense out of it. If the purchase was via a Thriday card, we would have automatically matched it to the transaction. And that's it. Emailing receipts made easy.